Filters in Power BI are like your personal assistants. They help you cut through the clutter and focus on what matters. Imagine trying to find one email in a flooded inbox. Filters make this process seamless in data. They shape your reports, ensure clarity, and let you work smarter, not harder. Without filters, analyzing data would feel like finding a needle in a haystack. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Filtering in Power BI is like ordering a custom pizza. You choose only the toppings you want. Instead of drowning in excessive information, filters help you zero in on what's relevant. They make reports cleaner, sharper, and more effective. Just like you wouldn't want pineapple on every slice, filters ensure you see exactly what matters in your data. Think of filters like different lenses for viewing data. Visual filters let you tweak individual visuals, while page filters adjust the scene at a broader level. Report filters, on the other hand, shape everything in sight. Advanced filters give you complete control. Whether you need a microscope or a telescope, Power BI filters have got you covered. Filters are like invisible gatekeepers in data analysis. They decide what stays and what goes. We need a solid system to count them accurately or risk missing critical insights. When multiple filters come into play, things can get messy. So let's break it down, understand their role, and ensure precision. Because let's be honest, nobody likes data surprises. Ever tried explaining a complex filter setup without visuals? It's like describing a rainbow to someone who's never seen colors. Charts, graphs, and dashboards help make sense of filter counts, ensuring we don't drown in numbers. A well-designed visual can turn chaotic data into a clear story, one that we can actually understand instead of just pretending to. Good filtering is like good cooking. You don't want too much spice, but you need enough for flavor. We aim for filters that sharpen insights without throwing out valuable data. If we get too restrictive, we risk losing key trends. But if we're too broad, well, we're drowning in irrelevance. Finding that balance is the secret to meaningful analysis. Dynamic filtering gives your data superpowers. No more static, boring dashboards. Users can tweak parameters in real time, pulling insights that matter to them. Think of it as a tailor-made suit for data. It fits exactly how you need. But let's make sure we set it up right, or users might end up with something more like an oversized sweater. Filters are great, but overdo them and your system might just take a coffee break. Too many filters slow performance, making dashboards frustratingly sluggish. Let's keep only what's needed and optimize intelligently. A smooth, responsive dashboard means happy users and fewer complaints landing in your inbox. Filters aren't foolproof, sometimes they misbehave. From wrong applications to mysterious missing data, troubleshooting is key. Think of yourself as a detective solving data mysteries. We'll go through common errors, quick fixes, and ways to stop problems before they start. The fewer headaches, the better. Filters work best when they make sense. Confusing setups lead to bad data decisions, and nobody wants that. Let's keep rules clear, streamline complexity, and ensure filters are doing their job. A little maintenance now saves a ton of confusion later, because unexpected results is just another way of saying data disaster. Theory is nice, but let's talk real-world impact. Businesses, scientists, and analysts rely on smart filtering every day. From making financial decisions to uncovering research insights, filters are the backbone of smart data handling. And when used right, they make the difference between valuable insights and confusion. Filters make or break your analysis, use them wisely. We've covered their role, best practices, troubleshooting, and real-world impact. Now it's up to you to put this knowledge into action. Think of filters as your data's best friend. Help them help you, and your insights will thank you. That's a wrap. But before we call it a day, let's tackle your questions. Filters are a deep subject, and there's always more to explore. So let's dive into discussions, clear up doubts, and maybe even discover new ways to refine our filtering strategies. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.